we are going to learn about rules for rounding off. Here, rounding off means finishing a long number into a specific digit. For example, if we have number 6.82222 means if you want this number in 3 digits, so how can we write 6.82? If you want this number, if you want to finish this number within 2 digits means we can write 6.8. For this rounding off, we have some rules. They are: first rule, if the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit should be left unchanged. Here we have 3-digit number, but we want to round off this number into 2 digits. Now we are going to convert this 3 digit into 2 digit. Here the digit to be dropped is 2. This number is less than 5. So the preceding digit is 3. This 3 should be left unchanged. So the rounding off digit of this 7.32 is 7.3. One more example is given, 8.94. Here also we have 3-digit number. Now we are going to round off this into 2 digits. Here the digit to be dropped is 4, which is lesser than 5. So the preceding digit 9 should be left unchanged. There is no variation. Second one, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. For example, 17.26. Here we have 4-digit number. Now we are going to rounding off this number into 3 digits. Here the digit to be dropped is 6. This one is greater than 5. So the preceding digit 2 will be increased by 1. So the rounding off digit is 17.2 increased by 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Here also 11.89. We have 4-digit number. Now we are going to rounding off this into 3 digit. Here the digit to be dropped is 9, which is greater than 5. So the preceding digit 8 will be increased by 1. So this we can write as 11.9. 8 plus 1, 9. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. This one is the condition. Here we have one example, 3.45. Here we have 3-digit number. Now we are going to round off this into 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Here the digit to be dropped is 5. So look at the preceding digit 4, whether it is odd or even. If it is even, here 4 is the even number, so the preceding digit will be unchanged. Here the round off number is 3.4. One more example, 8.250. Here we have 4 digits. Now we are going to round off this into 2-digit number. So the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by 0. Now look at the preceding digit 2. Now see whether this number is odd or even. Here 2 is even. So there will be no change in the preceding digit, 8.2. If it is even, there will be no change. Fifth rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is or like the same one. The previous case, if it is even, the preceding digit will be unchanged. Here the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. Example 3.35. Here we have 3-digit number. Now we are going to round off this into 2-digit number. Now the digit to be dropped is 5. So look at the preceding digit, whether it is odd or even. Here 3 is odd number, So it will be raised by 1. So 3.4. The second one, 8.350. Here we have 4 digit number. Now we are going to round off this into 2 digit. The digit to be dropped is 5 and 5 followed by zeros. So look at the preceding digit. This one is 3, which is odd. So this 3 will be raised by 1. So the round off number is 8.4. Here we have some exercise given in example 1.11. Round off the following numbers as indicated. First case 18.35 up to 3 digits. We want 3 digits. The digit to be dropped is 5. So look at the preceding digit 3. This one is odd. So this 3 will be raised by 1. The answer is 18.4. Second one 19.45 up to 3 digits. Here we want 3 digits. So up to this. Here the digit to be dropped is 5. So look at the previous one whether it is odd or even. Here even. So there will be no change. The answer is 19.4. Third one. 101.55 into 10 power 6 up to 4 digits. Up to 4 digits. Here we need 4 digits. So the digit to be dropped is 5. Look at the previous digit, whether it is odd or even. This one is odd number. So this will be raised by 1. The answer is 101.6 into 10 power 6. The fourth one 248,337 up to 3 digits. Up to 3 digits. 248. But we can't neglect this 337 because the decimal point is after 6 digits only. So instead this 337, this 3 is less than 5. So we can add 3 zeros. So on 12.653 up to 3 digits. Here we have 5 digit number. Now we are going to convert this into 3 digit number. Here the digit to be dropped is 5. The next number is greater than 0. So the preceding number will be raised by 1. That is 12.7. That's all students. Thank you for watching this video.